In this video, I'll show you how to create an international TikTok account using a VPN. To get started, you'll need a reliable VPN, and I recommend NordVPN because it offers fast speeds, strong security, and servers in over 60 countries. Click the link in the description to try NordVPN at a great price. First, download and install NordVPN on your device. Use the link in the description to land on the NordVPN download page. Choose your operating system and follow the installation steps. Once installed, open the NordVPN app and log in with your account. Now, connect to a server in the country where you want your TikTok account to appear. For example, if you want your account to look like it's from the United States, choose a US server and click Connect. Wait a few seconds for the VPN to establish a secure connection before moving on. Next, you'll need to clear any existing TikTok app data so you can start fresh. If you're using Android, go to Settings, then Apps, find TikTok, and tap on Storage. Select Clear Data to remove all temporary files. If you're on iPhone, go to Settings, then General, iPhone Storage, find TikTok, and choose Offload App. This resets the app and removes any old region data that could interfere with your new setup. After that, open the TikTok app and sign up for a new account. You can register using your email, phone number, or even a social media account. If TikTok asks for a phone number, you can use an online SMS service that provides numbers from the country you selected in your VPN. This step ensures your new TikTok account matches the location of your chosen server. Once you finish signing up, TikTok will send a verification code to your email or phone number. Enter that code and complete the setup. Now it's time to create your new TikTok profile. Choose a username, add a profile picture, and write a short bio to make your account look complete and ready to use. Once done, you can start exploring TikTok content from the region of your choice. Using a VPN, like NordVPN, makes this process simple, secure, and effective. With its fast servers, great privacy features, and reliable performance, it's one of the best VPNs for creating international TikTok accounts. Click the link in the description to try NordVPN at a great price.